how to bisect an angle with a compass, and we will also review measuring the angle with a protractor. Okay, so let's use our protractor and measure this angle. I'm going to call the ray going up here my 0 degree ray. Remember, we can measure an angle different ways with the protractor, even upside down, as in this case. So what I did is I lined up the hole, my protractor, over the vertex, and I made sure that the 0 line of the protractor falls on top of the ray going up. Okay, and then what we could do is open our protractor, in this case clockwise, and rotate it downward to get to the other ray. By doing that, remember that we're going to start with using small numbers. So that way you know that we're using the outer edge, right? Because if this is 0, we start opening, we have to start counting with small numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42 degrees. So here we have 42 degrees. Okay, so if I were to bisect the angle, which means to split it in half, then I should end up with half of 42, which is 21. And I'm going to do that not with the protractor, but with the compass. So first, I begin by making what's called an arc. Put the needle of my compass on the vertex, and I make an arc, which is just a portion of a circle. The important thing is that I notice it intersects both of the rays. Let's call these points of intersection R1 and R2. What I'm going to do next is take my compass needle, put it on reference point 1, R1, and I'm going to make another arc in the interior of the angle. The interior means between the two rays. Then using the same radius, I'm going to go to R2, make another arc so it crosses the first one in the interior, and I notice that we have what looks like an X there. If I simply line up that intersection with the vertex and draw another ray, that will be the angle bisector, or the ray that divides the segment in half. And we'll measure it one more time. This time I'll call it 0 degrees over here. And so when we open it, we're opening counterclockwise. So 0, 10, 15, 20, 21.